The sides of a triangle are 3 meters, 4 meters, and an unknown. What is the possible range of the third side? So a while ago, I have the longest way. Now let's have the shortest way. So for the least possible measure, for the maximum range you have, or maximum side, for the maximum side you have a plus b minus 1. So you have here 3 plus 4 minus 1, that would be 6. This one 6. For the least measure, a minus b plus 1, so this would be 4 minus 3 plus 1. You have here 1 plus 1, which is 2. So you have here 2 up to 6. So here 2 and 6. So the range will be from 2 up to 6. So starting from 2 to 6, or if you want interval notation, you have here 2 up to 6. There, 2 up to 6.